Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here from smartincubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the trade that I took on GBPUSD. Today is the first day of my FTMO challenge. I got a repeat, and the reason I did it because I was testing something on my previous challenge. It was an EA. It was a separate EA for FTMO. And then it wasn't really good, so that's why I just stopped trading on a previous account and I was waiting for a new one to get a fresh one and try to pass this one completely manually with no EA. But I want to show you the trades that I took, and here's the trade. So I took two trades on GBPUSD with these lot sizes here, and these are the profits, and this is my first day of the FTMO challenge. And as you know, with that we are almost 1% up, but it was like, since it was the first day, I didn't want to go crazy, and I still have time, so I don't really mind. I just want to show you what I personally took and what setup I used. So without any further ado, let's get into it right now. So as you can see, guys, I always check GBPUSD, EURUSD, NAS 100 gold, and US 30 sometimes. But I was checking GBPUSD, and then I noticed that on a 5-minute time frame, we kind of have, like, if you zoom out, you know that we have a downtrend. Okay, so because of the lower lows and lower highs, and then right here it started consolidating like crazy. But the overall trend is bearish. So what I did was, like, you know, I identify the trend first, and then I look for high probability supply and demand zones on 5-minute time frame and 15-minute time frame, which is really important. And the first thing I noticed was this high probability supply zone. See, so this high probability supply zone on a 5-minute time frame, and the reason is that this is a high probability supply zone is that this is the last bullish candle before the next candle dropped, and literally the next candle after that never tapped into this zone. So there's a space between this and this. See, between this zone and this candle there's a space, and as you know, that this space makes this zone a high probability order block. So I was just waiting for the price to tap into this level, and then I wanted to see what kind of confirmation it wanted to give me. Do I need to buy? Do I need to sell? Do I need to hold? Is it gonna break above? Is it gonna make it invalid? So I was just waiting and waiting because we didn't have any high probability demand zone, and then there was also a liquidity grab below this level. So there's a liquidity grab, so all these buyers got stopped out easily, and then see, this is a beautiful rejection. So I could jump into the trade right here, from here all the way to the next demand zone, and it would be a really good one if I wanted to do that. But I actually didn't, because it would be a beautiful trade. It's a beautiful liquidity grab. All the buyers got stopped out. As you can see, this is a support, this is a beautiful rejection, this candle is amazing, but I didn't trade it. So however, I saw this candle that literally got rejected from sellers, and then after that we had a bearish engulfing candle. So I took my sell trade here a little bit below this. I wanted to take it here, but I was 3 pips away, so it means that I was behind 3 pips. I took it here. I put my stop, I took it here, I put my stop loss here, and then I noticed that we have a high probability demand zone here. This is the last bearish candle, huge spike, the next candle never tapped. This is a high probability demand zone, so I actually wanted to close my trade here, and I was off the chart. This is exactly what I did. And then, as you know, guys, there was 2 trades, profit. I could have left the runner, but since I wasn't behind the charts, I didn't want to take the risk, especially today was the first day on Wednesday, I know, but I just said, okay, 1-to-1 is enough. It was even more than 1-to-1, but the opportunity that I kind of missed out was this one right here, because this was a beautiful liquidity grab and then a good confirmation. It was a good momentum, and then you know that if you take it here, because it already grabbed the liquidity from buyer side, now it's gonna go towards the high probability supply zone. So, and then I could another sell position here. So that doesn't matter, it was a profitable day. So at the end of the day, if you're up, who cares? So this is a 1 to 1.7 risk reward ratio that I had, and I just used high probability supply and demand zones. I didn't use any Fibonacci level or something like that. It was only pure high probability order block. So but if I really wanted to leave a runner, what I would do is to take my 1-to-1 trade first. I would take 2 trades equal size. So let's say that I want to trade a standard lot size. But instead of opening a standard lot size, I would open two 0.5 positions, and then I would close one of them here and the second one here. However, if my first TP smash, then I moved my stop loss to break even, and then I make the second one a risk-free trade, and then I close it here. So let's say the first one smash, move the stop loss to break even, and then after that the second one would have smashed again because it was a beautiful one, and then I could just take more profits. If you want to do that, that would be a good way. So, but if you want to use Fibonacci, let's say you delete this and then you see this drop happening and then there's a correction, but if you want to use your Fibonacci, you got to start it from where it actually dropped all the way to where it ended, and you see that it never tapped the golden zone. So that's why you could, I mean you could, but it was in the middle of nowhere if you wanted to take a sell trade, because it was neither a Fibonacci setup nor a high probability supply zone. So that's what I'm saying, just trade based on high probability supply and demand zones, guys. And if you don't know what they are, I highly recommend you to watch my other videos, especially my first video on my channel, or if you want to work with me one-on-one for an hour and a half, for 90 minutes, so I can fully explain what high probability order blocks are, then I actually have a Fiverr gig that I recently created. I'm going to leave a link below this video in the description. It's a 1.5 hour Zoom session, and I'm going to be with you, show you so many examples from for high probability order blocks, and show you exactly how it works. So if you're interested in that, guys, you know what to do. And yeah, that's it. It was a trade for 2 days. So before you go, guys, I want to show you another results for Gold Incubator. And since like March 7th that we installed like Gold Incubator on a brand new account, all the way to April 27th, which is almost 29% in profit on a $1,000 account. The profit is $951, but we had a $100 withdrawal to kind of see how it works exactly. And now we have $1,851, and this is my VPS account. And these vertical colorful lines are the news indicator. And if I want to show you the account history, it looks like this. So right here, it looks like this. And we have a profit for $463 since April 1st, and this is the balance. So this is another way if you want to trade completely hands-free, you don't want to get involved in the market, you don't want to analyze the charts, you don't want to do any of that stuff or deal with the stress or any emotional damage, then Gold Incubator is a really good one for you. That literally we can literally trade completely hands-free and just take the profits every single day, and the average daily profit is almost 1.35%, as you can see. And this result is available in my Telegram channel, which you can find the link in the description, in our Facebook group. I put it out every day, everywhere. So if you have any questions, guys, you know what to do. Drop your comment below this video, or you can personally reach out to me. I'll get back to you as soon as possible and answer all your questions. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and see you in the next one.